Thank you for taking the time to familiarize yourself with the teaching station in your classroom at Lansing Community College. Our goal is to provide you with the information necessary so that you can utilize the equipment to accomplish your instructional objectives. The teaching station contains a classroom computer, DVD player, sound system, document camera, projector, cable tuner, and a controller. As you look at the teaching station, you will see a push-button control system. This is the central component to the teaching station, and it will control the individual pieces of equipment. On the left side, you will see the controls to turn on the projector. Press the on button and the projector will begin to warm up. This process will take 10 to 15 seconds. When the light quits blinking, the system will be ready to use. In the middle are the buttons to select individual pieces of equipment to display. The PC button will switch the display to the desktop PC. The Doc Cam button will switch the display to the document camera. Make sure that it is turned on. The power switch is on the top right. You can adjust zoom, focus, and exposure on the front panel of the document camera. Also, make sure to turn on the lights to optimize the image. The DVD button will switch the display to the DVD player. Insert your DVD and then use the control buttons on the attached remote control or on the front panel to control your playback. The HDMI button will switch the display to whatever is connected to the HDMI connection on the input plate. The laptop button will switch the display to the laptop that is connected to the input plate. If the laptop still isn't displayed, double check and make sure the output is toggled to the external connection on the laptop. It will vary depending on the manufacturer of the laptop. On HP's, it is function F4. Many times there will be an icon of a monitor on the function key. If you need cables or adapters, contact AV Services at extension 1715. The video button will switch the display to whatever is connected to the video connection on the input plate. To watch videos that are played back from the classroom video system that is located in TLC 046, first, make sure that the DVD player is on L1. It will be displayed on the front panel of the DVD player. If you need to, you can switch that by pressing the input button on the remote control. Then you can adjust the channel by pressing the up and down channel button on the cable tuner that is in the rack. If you need assistance, contact Classroom Video at extension 1690. The Pick Mute button will blank the image without turning off the projector. Press the button again to restore the image. The volume control is located on the left side of the controller. You can adjust the volume by turning the knob slowly up or down. After adjusting the volume control and you still don't have audio from a PC or a laptop, check the computer's audio controls to make sure that the audio isn't muted. One of the new features in your classroom is the interactivity that is built into the projector. There is an interactive pin that is located in a case on the whiteboard. You can check to make sure the batteries are good by turning the pin on. If the green light is illuminated, the batteries are good. If you need batteries, contact AV Services at extension 1715. Make sure the interactive module is launched on the computer by double-clicking the Easy Interactive Tools icon that is on the desktop. To use the pin as a mouse, click the mouse icon. To left-click, tap on the board. To double-click, double-tap on the board. To click and drag or scroll, tap on the board and drag with the pen. To use the pen to write, click on the pen icon on the toolbar. You can also select the color and thickness of the line and then write on the board using the pen. To use the pen to highlight, click on the highlighter icon on the toolbar. Once again, you can also select the color and thickness of the line and then highlight on the board using the pen. To use the eraser, touch the eraser icon and you can selectively erase some of your annotations. To erase all of your annotations, touch the clear screen icon. There are also some other special pen functions such as magnify, Click the magnify icon and you can drag the magnification window around. This is handy when displaying smaller, hard-to-read items such as spreadsheets. Whiteboard mode. Click the whiteboard mode icon and then add a background. Save. Click the save icon. This will save the current desktop along with annotations as a bitmap, JPEG, or PDF file. There are other features of the interactive projector that you might find useful. Feel free to explore. You won't hurt anything. When it is time to shut down the system, press the off button and the projector will shut down. You will need to turn off the document camera separately and log off and shut down the desktop PC. Also, make sure to turn off the interactive pin and return it to its case. Thanks again for taking the time to familiarize yourself with the teaching station in your classroom. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact AV Services at extension 1715.